Hello there. Let's go and take a look at something very simple today, which is basically storing your or hosting your website. Or in this particular case, I'm going to show you an example by hosting a very simple web page and a JavaScript file onto Google Cloud Storage and how you can share it. It's pretty straightforward. I have signed in here into my Google Cloud platform, already created a new project. So you want to make sure, this is how you create a new project in case you don't have any. You go in here and start off and say new project. You could leave everything as default. Of course, you need to make sure that you sign up for the free trial. They have a $300 free trial for like 1 year or so. If you already signed in, that's great. You go to from here, you could go to what is called storage, which is here, or you can see it here already. In your case, if this is the first time, you will not see any buckets here. So I will go ahead and create a new bucket under my project. I'm going to try and call it with my last name, and you see it's already there. So basically it has to be unique. Any name that you create has to be unique. I think if I create this one, it won't allow me to because someone else has already taken it. I'm just going to call it my entire name. Nope, that also is not there. I'm just going to add 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to leave everything as default. This too, I'm going to leave it at object level permission. I'll show you what this means in a little bit. Once we create this bucket, we're going to basically upload a website here. I have a very fast, responsive single page website here. Uh, yep, this is the extent to which I can do it right now. That's my UI skills, but I have a JavaScript file in there. All you need to do is just say upload file. There you go. I think this is the file. I say upload. Is that the one? Index, yeah. I have uploaded that file here. I will go ahead and upload the app.js also there. You need to go in here to permissions. Again, I'll go back one level out. Go to this bucket called Naresh123 or Naresh Kanatra123. Go to permissions, and what you got to do is say add members. Over here, you say I'm going to basically make this public, so I'm going to add all users. Okay, and I'm going to select a role. For the role, I'm going to go into storage and say storage object viewer. That's all you need to do. Save. Once I do that, if I go back to objects here, you will see that under public access, there is a link available here. So if I go ahead and click on this link there, it opens up that web page, and now you can share this URL with whomever you need to. It's public URL like you saw. Again, this is just a very basic HTML page, but you could upload whatever you wanted, your website or a set of HTML pages with which whatever you're doing. Uh, I don't necessarily use this in production anywhere. I might in the future, but for now I just use it as my playground. If I want to host a simple HTML page somewhere and which I want to give access to others, I usually host it here. That's my preferred way. It's very simple to set up and easy to share. Thank you. Hope this was helpful. And yeah, one other quick thing. You know how when I was creating the bucket, let me do it once again. While creating the bucket, I told you I'm going to leave the permissions at object level permissions. Had I not done that, what would have happened is when I go into my bucket, out there for each of these objects, I would not be able to select separate permissions if I wanted to. So that's the difference. Thank you.